Support the legacy of Kaishu-sama with an annual membership to the Miho Museum. The Miho Museum was born of a harmony of nature, art, and architecture. The inspiration to build it came from Meishu-sama, but the decision came from Kaishu-sama. She oversaw the planning and construction from beginning to end. In 1997, the Shumei Cultural Foundation inaugurated the Miho Museum in Shiga, Japan, which houses the internationally celebrated Shumei collection. The Miho presents art of great aesthetic and historical value from throughout the ancient world in a setting that allows people to fully appreciate and enjoy its beauty. Far from the crowded cities, the Miho Museum is nestled among the verdant Shigaraki Mountains. The path to the museum angles toward its entrance through a tunnel and over a bridge that spans two mountain ridges. When approaching, you can see tantalizing glimpses of the glass roofs above the pine-filled mountain slope. As with the earthly paradise in the classical Chinese poem Peach Blossom Spring, most of the museum building is hidden. Once inside, one perceives a dramatic change from that of the museum's exterior. Sunlight softly pours through the louvered glass roofs into a spacious reception area and illuminates the honey-colored limestone walls, giving them a warm glow. The sense of breadth and distance is further extended by panoramic views of the distant mountains that surround the building. I think you can see a very conscious attempt on my part to make the silhouette of the building comfortable in the natural landscape. As this remark by architect Ian Pei suggests, the museum is a magnificent embodiment of two aspects of architecture: the structure standing in nature and at the same time being a part of nature. When a work of art speaks to us through its beauty or power or sheer individuality, we walk away feeling changed. The mystical power which springs from the artist's soul passes through the written word, through the visual image, the musical instrument, the song or dance, and plucks at the soul of all mankind. Mokichi Okada. Art and beauty have the power to nourish and refine the soul. Not only do they bring pleasure, but they profoundly move the heart and mind. Beauty fosters a deeper appreciation of life and all creation. Throughout history, art has touched the part of the human spirit that exists above the struggle for survival and beyond the sphere of reason. It can put humankind in touch with the best qualities of human nature. It is for this reason that Shumei encourages the integration of art and beauty into daily life. When touched by beauty, we place a higher value on life and on all creation. Shumei actively encourages an awareness and understanding of art's power and significance. We encourage our members and friends to make all the arts an integral part of their lives. It is our hope that a visit to the Miho Museum will inspire more people to pursue a life abundant in the timeless harmony and creative power that exists between nature and humankind. We ask all who share this aspiration with us to help us continue providing activities and exhibitions by becoming members of the Miho Museum. Thank you.